Regression analysis is one of the most common methods of prediction. It is used whenever we have a causal relationship between variables. A great deal of predictive modeling in practice is done through regression analysis. It becomes extremely powerful when complemented by techniques like factor analysis, and you can surely find many academic papers based on it. Moreover, fundamentals of regression analysis are used in supervised machine learning, so you can see how regressions are a must for data science. The general point is the following. Among other factors, the amount of money you spend depends on the amount of money you earn. In the same way, the amount of time you devote to this course is affected by your motivation to learn additional statistical methods. You can quantify these relationships and many others using regression analysis. We will use our typical step-by-step approach. We'll start with the simple linear regression model, and before long, we'll be dealing with the multiple regression model. Along the way, we will learn how to build a regression, how to interpret it, and how to compare different models. We will develop a deep understanding of the fundamentals as we interconnect it with the knowledge we've acquired so far. After this section, you will be ready to dive into more advanced statistical analysis and even machine learning, if that's where you want to go. Brace yourselves, regression analysis is coming!